So,
Look. Hey, hey.
look.
Look. Hey, hey. Sound. Hey, hey. Hey, bye.
Thank you.
Oh, problem?
Yung isang word, mahina. Check, check, check. Check.
No.
Yo, excited. Habang inaayos natin yung mic,
pakilala muna kayo, guys. One by one.
Hoy, natabukan ko tangan.
Hi,
3K.
Eka.
Takot ko yung
Askin.
Krishna.
tangan.
Krishna. Ino.
And I'm Krina. We are VAC Facts. Actually, Miss K, and some people, we're not that complete kasi yung iba hindi available. So, we'll try to, perform na lang yung the best we could.
Thank you so much for being here. Talagang you're making this day extra special with your presence. So, palakpakan natin once again, ACSX!
ito yung video para makakaya. Excited to. Hindi kami siya excited. Bibidyohan ko. Sure, are you? Sure. Hindi ko pala nasabi ko siya may enjoy ko. Nahulog na ako kahapon.
Come on, what's up, people? Let's go! Con los terroristas.
Let me live that fantasy.
everybody. Si Jenny June. Oh, sabi siya ko. Wait siya muna.
Thank you.
Okay, picture na lang.
Thank you so much. Saan ba nila kayo mapapanood or magpa-follow or malalike? Para lang, syempre, ang dami nyo na ngayong fans. Nahiya eh.
Dati po, school park kasi wala pa po kaming fan page. Hindi pa kami gumagawa ng fan page. Pero, you can invite us para po for a little entertainment po sa inyong parties. Kung gusto niyo pong medyo extraordinary yung entertainment, pwede po kami doon.
Ipupost na lang natin sa King's Fun Run page. Thank you. Malakpakan natin sila once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
CFF.
Announcement na.
Sa lahat ng winners ng sack race, meron kayong Milo gift pack. Pila na lang po kayo dito para ma-picture natin ang pagbigay ng gift packs for Milo.
Sila tayo. Dito ka lang magkukuha kang picture, diba?
Eric, you still have the list of winners. Meron tayong nakalimutang special awardees. Ayan. Please like the Facebook page for the pictures. Laguna Run. Hanapin niyo lang po ang Laguna Space Run para makita